Hello student, welcome to you class 12 biology. Today we will continue our chapter 6, that is the molecular basis of inheritance. In last video we discussed about the DNA structure, DNA packaging and Griffith experiment, which is also known as the transforming principle, and Hershey's experiment. Now today our topic is RNA world. According to this topic, it was believed that the RNA was the first genetic material. जो साइंटिस्ट थे उनका ये बिलीव था बेटा कि डीएनए जो है वो हमारा पहला अनुवांशिक पदार्थ नहीं था, जबकि जो आरएनए है वो ही हमारा फर्स्ट जेनेटिक मटेरियल था डेट फाउंड इन द ऑर्गेनिजम्स. वॉल्टर गिलबर्ट इन 1986 hypothesized that there was a RNA world in the atmosphere where RNA acts as a catalyst as well as genetic material that part in the catalytic or biochemical reactions. For example, RNA's enzymes are present here, that is a ribozyme, ribonuclease and peptidal transferase. These are some examples of RNA enzyme. So it was believed by the scientists that there are the RNA that take part in the biochemical reactions, not the protein. After that, it was believed that RNA is unstable and highly reactive. So through these chemical changes in the RNA, there was conversion of the RNA converted into the DNA. So we can then say DNA is our genetic material, or DNA is the genetic material of all living organism. Now we discuss about the central dogma, that is our important topic also. आपका इसमें शॉर्ट नोट आ जाता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में, बहुत पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल डोग्मा या डिस्क्राइब द सेंट्रल डोग्मा इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स और बायोलॉजी. इन मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी, सेंट्रल डोग्मा टेल अस द फ्लो ऑफ जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन in all living organism from DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. In this process we can say it is the process, central dogma, it is the process in which the genetic information flow from DNA to functional product that is called proteins. So it was given by the Francis Crick in 1956. वाटसन और क्रिक जो थे दो साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने आपका डीएनए डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर दिया था. उनमें से ही जो फ्रांसिस क्रिक थे उन्होंने सेंट्रल डोग्मा को एक्सप्लेन किया था. व्हाट इज सेंट्रल डोग्मा? अबाउट दिस, डीएनए इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू आरएनए फर्स्ट एंड देन RNA changes into the functional product that is called proteins, and DNA is also formed DNA, that is the or known as replication. हिंदी में हम इसे बोलते हैं प्रतिकृति. DNA से DNA का बनना ही क्या कहलाता है? इट इज नोन एज द replication. And changes of DNA into RNA, it is known as the transcription. हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं अनुलेखन. DNA से RNA का बनना अनुलेखन कहलाता है. And RNA changes into the protein, this process is known as the translation. इसको हम बोलते हैं ट्रांसलेशन, यानी कि प्रोटीन का निर्माण. So in all living organism, these three reactions are found in all living organism, in which DNA changes into the DNA, or old DNA is converted into the new DNA through the process of replication, and then DNA is converted into the RNA through the process of transcription, and RNA converted into the protein through the process of translation. So these are the three biopolymers of the molecular biology or in the biology system. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much.